Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to address this question, that is why your Tabby purchase not approved. So I came across this article that probably can give the answer to our question. So it is saying that a positive payment history with Tabby can improve your chances of being approved for more purchases, as well as how long you have been using Tabby to shop. If you have negative balance or unpaid balance purchases, it might help to pay them off to possibly increase your approval chances. The total amount in the shipping cart may be too high, so try to remove the item or items and try again. Make sure that you have only one Tabby account created. Every time you use Tabby, we are making a new decision. So if your purchase was declined previously, that doesn't mean that your future purchases will continue to do so. You can always try paying with Tabby again. So basically it is giving you the solution of the problem that you are facing with your purchases. So you can try all of these methods and you won't be able to get this problem. But still, if you are facing the same problem over and over again with Tabby, the only method that you can resolve is by contacting with the Tabby customer service. For that, you just have to simply launch your Tabby app and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. From there, you will be able to see the help section, so you can contact to Tabby customer service. If you are on the official website of Tabby, you just have to scroll down a bit and click on this career contact option, and then you will be landed on this page where you can basically contact on them on this address, that is help@tabby.ai. So you can mail them on this email address and you can contact them via email. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for